Okay, people of YouTube. Now, I don't know if you can see, but it's snowing a lot outside, and for the first time in New York City that I've been alive, school has been canceled because of snow, and that's very rare. But yeah, pretty much. Okay. Um, also, I don't know if you can hear the noise, but somebody's taxi got stuck outside and they have to push it. I'll be right back. Let me go see if it's still there. Yep, the taxi is still there. He's right now like have three men pushing while he's been trying to get uphill for like the last 10 minutes cuz I live in an uphill street and it's kind of hard to explain, but yeah, you have to be here. All right guys, see ya.